Hello everyone, we're back here for our 77th season at Tanner's Orchard. Grandma Tanner is still cooking, still kicking, and still keeping us on our toes here at the orchard. So Grandma, welcome back to your first show of this year, 2024.
Yes. Glad to be back and glad I can do it.
So she will be cooking peach blueberry bread. And I did post the recipe, a picture of the recipe in the previous post. So if you guys will if you want the recipe, just go back a post on our Facebook page and it will be there. So, all right, Grandma Tanner, take it away.
Okay, we're going to blend peaches and blueberries and make a bread. It is kind of heavy and you could use it for a dessert. So, first of all, the eggs. It calls for 2 large eggs, or I'm going to use 3 small ones because these are our bannies. You can't get them any fresher than this. Put your eggs in there first. I always like to put them into another little bowl.
Make sure you don't get any shells in them.
Yeah, make sure we don't get any shells in them. Especially when there's young cooks, children cooking. So beat those eggs up real good.
What happened to your manual hand mixer there?
Oh, well, this is going to be a little more than just my little hand one. Okay, and then a cup of sugar. White sugar. 1/3 a cup of butter. Everything's better with butter on it.
And that was melted?
I melted it, yes. And then a 1/2 a cup of milk.
Just use your 1/2 cup thing from your butter.
Yeah. These are cute little measuring cups.
I think we sold them in the market a few years ago.
Did we?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. We just have all kinds of cute kitchen items this year. They're just beautiful. So if you're thinking about Christmas gifts.
Good thing it wasn't yesterday, the hottest day of the week.
Yeah.
Talking about Christmas.
Yes, it was.
Oh, I got a slow connection. Oh well. Sorry if the video's not the best today. Our internet is kind of wonky a little bit.
We've had some rainstorms out here today. Really heavy rain, which we were surprised. I didn't even know it was going to rain. So I poured the peach juice in there.
You got peach cider.
We have peach cider.
You sell here. How much of that did you put in?
That was 3 tablespoons.
Oh, only 3 tablespoons of peach cider. Okay.
Yep. And then, I don't know, I always like breads and things with vanilla, so I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla in there. It's a really good vanilla. We sell quite a bit of it.
It's called Blue Cattle Mexican vanilla.
So we get that all mixed up. And then it's a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt mixed into the flour. I have 2.5 cups of flour. I've already measured that out. This is 2 cups, that's a 1/2 cup. So I just like to mix this all in there. I'll add just a little bit more baking powder. You can do that if you want it to rise a little bit more. And just blend that all together. And then as I'm mixing, I'll just gradually put this in here.
I don't know the answer. That was gradual.
That wasn't too gradual. It's okay, you can just blend it all. I like to take the spatula and just kind of push down on the sides a little bit. We have beautiful Freestone peaches from Southern Illinois. We just got more of them in yesterday, I believe. And blueberries from Michigan.
Grandpa just went and got those yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah, 500 pounds. We already sold 750. A lot of people like blueberries. And then 3 types of apples: Early Gold, Ginger Gold.
Oh, I didn't know we had ginger gold in.
They just picked them this morning too.
And Zestar.
And Zestar. Yep.
Sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
You've been
And
bringing
we have
computers?
squirrel corn.
Oh yeah, we got squirrel corn. Did you bring the cucumbers down from your garden?
Those cucumbers are one of our employees.
Was that Rogers?
Well, Roger Gerson. He's not working this year.
You gonna have tomatoes?
Yes, he is going to have tomatoes. Now I'm going to put a teaspoon of lemon juice in this, just to give it a little zip. Blend that all in there real good. Run these beaters a little bit so that the batter flies off of them. So now I have this dough here, and 1 cup of peaches and 1 cup of blueberries. So we don't blend them with a blender, otherwise we'll have purple
Bread.
purple bread, right?
Well, I mean, if you wanted purple bread,
Yeah.
you could do that.
And then you just fold the blueberries in, the peaches in. And we are having a peach and blueberry pancake meal this weekend, Saturday.
It's blueberry pancakes with peaches on top. If you don't want blueberry pancakes, you can get plain ones. And you can buy tickets at the door. And we will be serving on our new flat front of the building area.
It's going to be awesome. We redid the front to make it more handicap accessible, and it's just beautiful. So I have my old cake pan, or my old bread pan here.
And you sprayed it with Pam.
I sprayed it with Pam, is right. Now we'll just put that in there, and this takes 1 hour.
Did you put nuts in the one you made the other day?
Yes, I did. That is optional. Today I decided not to put nuts in.
Good. I wasn't big on the nuts.
You can put pecans, walnuts, whatever you want to put in there.
Hi, Isaiah. This is one of our grandsons right here, my son. He works full-time here at the farm, too. So we got 3 generations right now working.
Full time.
I saw her cooking, and I know she always cooks one beforehand.
Oh yes, I have one all made.
No, he came in and get a bite of the one beforehand. Oh, Doris is watching.
Oh, good. Hi, Doris.
My sister from Germany.
Here's a picture of half a peach. That's how nice they're coming off of the stone. They're beautiful. So this is all ready to go in the oven, and it will take 1 hour. I've got one baked that I did earlier.
What do you cook it at? 350? Nice.
350 for 1 hour.
You can have the peach, buddy.
And
350 for 1 hour. Ooh, yummy.
It did
And
come
you
out.
can see the blueberries and the...
in the peaches. And I think what is really nice, if you would want to slice this and use it as a dessert, lay it on its side, and just put a few blueberries on there with some whipped cream.
Would it be good with frosting on it?
Yes, you can put a glaze on it if you want.
Yeah.
But see how many nice blueberries are in there?
Yeah, you could lay it out and just drizzle glaze and blueberries on top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
That's pretty darn good.
it's very good.
It's almost like yellow cake.
And did you see where I got this plate?
Oh yes, she stole it from Tanner's Orchard.
It was on the half price. There was another one. It's just a nice platter for.
For your bread.
Mm-hmm.
So
So that's all. Maybe we'll see a bunch of you this weekend on Saturday, and we're serving what, 8 to 12.
8 to noon. What did you want to talk about the blueberries? You said you wanted to tell them
Oh
something.
yes. If you do get it, this is a 1.5 quart box. We sell them by 10 pounds or 1.5 quart. And when you get them home, if you stick them in a Ziploc bag like this, especially, and you put them in your refrigerator,
Leave them in the box.
leave them in the box, and just zip this shut, because our frost-free refrigerator will shrivel these little guys if you leave them in there very long.
Okay.
And the peaches, to ripen them, if you get a little box and they're a little green, you just throw a towel over them, and they let off this ethylene gas, and they will ripen very evenly.
Okay. Well, there you go.
So Grandpa and I have to do a
You
couple
guys
bushel
canning?
for canning.
Are you
Yes,
canning or freezing?
we're gonna can.
All right. We better ask Dave if he wants some frozen
Yeah.
this
We
year. We
should.
forgot about him last year.
Mm-hmm.
But there you go. Peach blueberry bread.
So all these employees are hanging their tongues out.
Yeah.
They're just wanting a slice of this. We'll cut some pieces here.
So, all right. Well, maybe we'll see you guys here Saturday. This Saturday and the 10th, we'll have the peach and blueberry pancakes with peaches, or plain if you want plain. You can buy tickets online or at the door, same price both places. Then the following weekend is our ladybug and butterfly release in the sunflower fields. So the sunflower fields will open up. The plan is right now August 12th. So we'll see.
Mm-hmm.
See what kind of weather we get.
And your babysitter is coming from Ohio, Tammy,
Oh,
on the 10th. Next Saturday for the. When Jenny was a baby, Tammy, our neighbor, would
Babysit.
come over and rock that little baby. She just loved her.
so. All right, everyone. Well, thanks for watching, and we will be back here next week on Thursday at around 3 o'clock. Sometimes I don't watch the clock very well. So we'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.